Hi. Hi, ma'am. Hello. Salamat sa pag-anhi. Salamat sa pagpunta.
Live.
WH lang ako. Hi guys, thank you for my WH. Yeah, watch out. Thanks for that. And also I already also busy. Sometimes I go live here, sometimes not. So that I can go live in my third channel. I'm so lucky on my third channel because I already put some videos there that not connected in here. It's okay that no one yet come to my channel. It's okay that one. At least I'm trying. I do my best that I have my third channel that already like found on the haters. Yeah, my third channel is I just new to build up, not yet go live, but I'm keeping trying to go. I'm keeping trying to pass so that I can have plenty videos and subscribers so that I can have quickly go live there. Same like this. So um, I don't want to tell here what kind of a what kind of a channel I have because I don't somebody got like a keeping monitoring in me there. Yeah. Why someone making said I imagining my honey isn't there. Who messaged in me? He's the first person who's messaged in me. And then I don't want to show you that he was in my second phone. Okay? Okay. If you wanted, he's my second phone. He's there, oh. He's there. So, why you said that I'm dreaming? I'm not dreaming. He's there, oh. What time is it in the outside now? Europe. It's already, what is that? It's already meaning two. That's what you just think about. It's already. I already told you, huh? I have my time on my honey. Oh, that is the time on my honey, huh? Told Amsterdam. Already at night. That's why he's sleepy. Oh, he's sleepy. Oh, he's sleepy. He was there. So what you said that I'm dreaming, I'm not dreaming. We are always video call all the time. And if you think that he's married man, he's not married. He had a single dad, right? He's a single dad, had one son. That name called Kevin. Kevin is already 20 plus his age, and he's what you call that scientist. Yeah. So he's not married. He's not, and I'm not a mistress. So you are the one dreaming. So another one. What you call that scientist. Yeah. So he's not married. He's not, and I'm not a mistress. So you are the one dreaming. So another one. I don't, okay, I will introduce you, but you never know who it is. This is my third channel with not yet, oh, not yet subscriber, not yet, oh, not yet. Not yet. Wait, I will. Not yet. Not yet, oh, not yet. Not yet. Wait, I will. Hi, Lucky. Hello there. How are you? Thanks for the thumbs up, Silver. Yeah, they always be barking. They never stop. They keeping said that I'm dreaming in behalf that my boyfriend is in my phone now. That we're talking all the time, and then they said that they making up a story. Well, I just let it be. Let it be. Yeah, you know, they're working hard because they're doing their best. They dreaming that to think that they can destroy me. No. So I'm so lucky also. The same your name. I'm so lucky because I have make a third account that only my boyfriend know, and also in me, and what I have upload in here is a different in there. Di, hindi muna ako makabigay ng moderator kasi ang phone ko nandito yung phone ko nandito kasi yung minamahal ko dito, oh, yan, nandyan siya. Nandito yung honey ko. Hindi ko makabigay ng ano. Kaya salamat sa pagpunta. Salamat. Salamat talaga.